Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix signature not verified in PDF. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the specific file and then go ahead over to menu right here. Now go ahead and click on Preferences. Okay. Click on it and find Signatures. All right. So just click on Signatures and then under Verification, click on More. There you go. Now, under Require Certificate Revocation Checking to Succeed, untick it for now, and then click on OK. OK, and check if it helps. If not, to refresh the verification process, just click on Menu once more, Preferences, and again, Signatures, Verification, More, and re-enable it. Okay? Or if you want to, you could go ahead and ignore document validation information as well. And if you want to, you could enable validating signatures, validating certified documents right here. Okay, or trust all root certificates in the Windows Certificate Store 4 right here. Okay, okay. And once that's done, if that still won't work, just basically restart the application and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix signature not verified in PDF, especially on Adobe Reader. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.